Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you an average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channel's functionalities. Douglas Chambers, who was killed by PMP criminal organization members, and it came from the top, and to date the person who have given that order has not been arrested and charged for that murder. So you can go to Patreon and you'll be able to see the face and name of those persons. So thanks for your continued support, and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video.
I was at my shop yesterday. When I come up, I see lots of crowd, right? I saw my sister on the ground. So from me see my sister on the ground, I'm here shot. Me know so somebody for me get shot. So when me come up, me see the car I drive off. It was an unmarked car. So when we come and get the video, the police don't have any uniform or anything. Then come. The video shows so them come, then fly out of the car, the whole heap of the youth them there, so because motorcade are go on. So like them a plan for the motorcade. You understand me? So the whole of them they right at the lane out here, so here so the police then come, them not even identify themselves. When the police come board. You understand me? Police have ears ringing and ears. Police ear cut up in the ear. Oh, you're gonna know that is a police. If you see police, if you see man like that, when I say I drive by a come in, or man a come in, so you're gonna run, don't it? If I know that they did find a gun, well, I would have said, well, they have a gun on him, so anything is anything, right? But them don't come out with no gun. If you come somewhere and you shoot up somebody and you get a gun, are you going to leave the person on the ground? Oh, so why now they are saying they find gun? When you find gun, you come out with a gun, showing you and your hand say you find a gun, and this me just take off of him. Therefore, go away with him. You left him same place in the house. You understand me?
I understand, and it was reported to me by the residents that yesterday while they were gathering to prepare to come on the motorcade, that an unmarked vehicle with unmarked personnel that turned out to be police drove down, stopped suddenly, fly their doors and start a fire shot. There was a young man by the name of Jermaine who got shot. He ran up to the house up there, and eventually they followed him, and after they followed him to the house, the lady in the house confronted them. Same police, we have observed them over the period since I've been campaigning up to Monday when Senator Bunton and I was walking, we realized that they were taking pictures and trying to find out, and we were trying to figure out what intelligence could they attain at this time for someone who have been in the DIU department and have been here for years. And therefore, I actually introduced myself to them on Monday, and it's kind of surprising to me to see this kind of action coming from them, because I see this action as intimidated and I see it as a threat to my campaign. We are saying to the JC and all the agencies that is affiliated with that we would like to have the kind of peace that is in Augustown that the residents have demonstrated and deserve, and that kind of behavior of trying to divide the residents because of political motive, yes or no, we will not accept.
Let's get shoot up. Get the victim and go with it. Why not everybody with a gun? Yeah, justice. I was at my shop yesterday. When I come up, I see lots of crowd, right? As some assistant.
Yeah, man. So, boy, hey, we're proud of the police, man. You know, look where all dirty boy and get a gun and them thing there. Hey, look, man. We tell a long time, you know. Finally, the police, them are wake up on them thing there. You remember, it was last week, you know. Last week, you know, a 15-year-old PMP criminal organization supporter, Lamar Gray, when him chicken back and him brother, you know, and them kill Cracks, you know, because Cracks are labor, right? When the boss killed chicken back over there at Southborough, chicken back did have 9mm pistol on him. Yeah, and him a PMP criminal organization supporter. You understand? So I saw them people that stay. All them do is promote criminality. I understand. And I tell lie about the police, them a do them right, man. No criminal are supposed to in a Jamaica and feel comfortable. No, and that's how it got. Yeah, man, we support the police in what they're doing. You understand? And but show them which gun that. A good thing the police not show them nothing and them thing now. After the police, after they are not the law, all corals in them and them thing there. You understand? Yeah, man, we love when the police them liquor criminal. Yeah. So you know that wasn't what we're all about today. You know? Today we want to tell you about one of the best law that's Michael Manley. Yeah, man, this is one of the best things Michael Manley ever do for Jamaica, but most people don't know it. So why if you share the live on them thing now, we are telling you, yeah, man, Michael Manley, one of the best crime fighting laws that we have ever have in Jamaica. And Michael Manley signed it in a law. And, you know, we have to tell the world, but, you know, tell all of you about it, you know, people in Jamaica and the diaspora. So, yeah, man, so share the live, man. Share the live with your friend. You know, share the live with everyone and them thing now. Let them know, so, because we are talking about it. Because them always feel like, say, you know, we don't have anything good to say about Michael Manley. But, you know, we don't support criminality, you know, in any way, you know. Because we love our Jamaican people. And we love law-abiding citizens. I just saw it go. You understand? So when we are telling you all of these things about Michael Manley, what Michael Manley have done, and that's the truth, you know. So yeah, share the life, man. Yeah. Share the life with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, yeah, man, your sister, your brethren, your neighbor, yeah, man, and tell a friend, you know, say, are we at the Jamaica Young Police channel? Yeah, so yeah. Type me can see that if you're hearing me, you understand, if you know we're live. Yeah, let me know if let me know if you can hear me, you know. If you can't hear me, just type it and let me know. Yes, man. Yeah, type and let me know if you hear or not. You understand? Hmm. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, man. Respect Donald Royal. Yeah, man. We're glad to say you can't hear we and thing. Yeah, because we haven't seen anyone typing, so that's why we are wondering if the audience hearing us. But did you guys listen to the recording of the gunman that a gunman that the police killed in Augustown yesterday, who was about to go on a motorcade? Yeah, so as we telling you, so today we are telling about. So most people don't know that that one of the best law that we had in Jamaica that reduces crime murders in Jamaica about 50%. It was in 1 year, and it was Michael Manley that gave us that law. But most people don't know about it because most of the youths them now, people born in the late 80s or even early 80s, them don't know about this law. You understand? But if we add this law in Jamaica even to the day, trust me, we murder rate gone way down. I tell you that. Yeah. Yeah, man. Heal up Sean Christian, man. Yeah, man. Blessed love, my brother. You understand? And we give thanks, for joining the live. Yeah. As you know, over here, we're not in the corals business, we not support criminality in no farm. Yeah, man. So we don't like them, because we want our citizens, our brothers and sisters, to walk freely without anyone, harassing them. A criminal supposed to live in a fear, not the law-abiding citizens, and that is what we're all about. Yeah, man. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, share the live with others, so that we can, we can grow it. Because we over here we all about Team Jamaica. Welcome Mike Polish. Yeah, man. Yeah, and thanks for joining. Yeah. Yeah, man, and thanks for joining the live. The man are the first man we check in. But you can see the man love him dog and them thing there. Why I tell you? Hey, I just saw it well, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, one of the best way how we can get back Jamaica is, as we have seen what has been happening, since December last year, whether you like this government or not, this government is very generous, to the criminals them too. You understand? But we can see that the police they are trying, but not like how them used to. And the reason why Jamaica is at this juncture is that when you talk about leadership, you have to have strong leadership where unafraid to do things. You understand? And support the security forces. Yeah. And I just saw it go. So yeah, as we tell you, so yeah, just share the live and you understand. So what? 9 minutes down into the live. Yeah, so Michael Manley, as we tell you, Michael Manley unleashing the ultimate crowd fighting line of Jamaica, but most people don't know about it. Well, people in my age group are who have served in a police force in the 70s to the 80s, late 80s until at the same PMP at them, you know, when them win the election in 1989, they got rid of the law. This law, you know, this law used to drive fear in the heart of criminals. So that's how PMP passed this law, you know. Then Michael Manley signed this law into yeah man, even Mary, yeah. And Michael Manley, you know. So we are telling you, you know, whether or not you want to believe it or not. You understand? Yeah man, thanks Sean, yeah man. Boy, hey, look here. We are telling you, all we want back, you know, we just want back Jamaica, my brother. May I tell you? Because I remember the days, you know, when I grew up, when I could have walked from Concrete Jungle to downtown I Pier. Yeah man, walk through Jonestown, walk from Concrete Jungle, you know. You understand? Original Concrete Jungle. When I talk about Angola and Havana and Pegasus, I walk from this, walk from Concrete Jungle through Jonestown, through Craigtown, through Anatown, through Matches Lane, go right down a pier. Because down a pier, if anybody, you know, Kingston and you know, pier, you know, say pier, I don't wish by your swim. That I poor man on a beach, you know, but them I say I poor man beach. You understand? And nobody know what trouble with that. Time I 80, 86, 87, I tell about. You understand? Yeah, them time Siaga was Prime Minister. So at the same law, you know, where Michael Manley passed, you know, Siaga use it, you know, and it benefit Jamaicans. And I see him PMP. And them see man, you know, them see man get rid of the law when them come in a power in 89. Because them say it's too rigid. So that's why we tell you say it's a criminal organization. But the reason why Michael Manley had give Jamaica this law is when them kill the man for Modern Furnishing Company. And all of the killer them were involved in it, you know, guess what? And Michael Manley send them go to Cuba, go train as Brigadier and them come back. And use the same training now and start kill them friend, lawyer and business people. And we let you hear that and them thing from Cliff Hughes about this law, because you know people might feel like say, you know, boy, I true him like people live in a PMP community, as if you know in a PMP community I was born and raised there. But the most important thing in life, you know, is when you as a person, as a human being, and you're willing to speak the truth. Remember, you know, people are gonna like you, you know. And if you do things because you want people to like you, you know have no core beliefs in yourself, you know. Anything goes, you know. But we know that, you know, because we stand for something. But if you don't stand for anything, you just ride with it because you don't want to offend people. But we don't care about that and them thing. Me I just tell you the real mama papa truth. I don't care if you like me or not like me, because I never wrote like that throughout my life. Yeah, we don't wrote like that at no time. Yeah. Yeah man, thank Sean, yeah man. Boy, yeah, well, we're glad so you know, you understand, you know, we inspire you and others, because we all about for we at the Jamaica Young Police, and our job, you know, is all about to change life, you know, and save lives. We're not gonna encourage no youth. Yeah, even Mary. Yeah, good evening, Mary. Yeah, we not encourage no youth to pick up no gun. We rather give them the book than the gun. Yeah, you understand? Yeah, that's what we all about. So if a man I say, boy, them not like me and them thing because me speak the truth, I don't care, you know. Me don't want no guy like me because me I go say things to suit him. Yeah. And no guy can't bully me and them thing there. I try like them I try to shame me or to make me not talk and them thing there. That only make me talk more. I just mean that. No, I saw me stay. Me I go hardly start the truth, and you understand? And the truth out only the guilty. And when I think with our people, as Jamaican people, them not like for you the truth, you know. Especially if them like somebody or them like an entity or an organization. You have to be an independent thinker and think through things. Yeah, it's like you have some people still do, you know. You see, because them love the Prime Minister Andrew Wilness. Them know why you say nothing bad about him. But me, anything of me say it wrong, me I go say it. Me no care, so nobody can come tell me say, boy, if you say this or that, but me I go answer. Me no care about that, you know, because I am not here to, you know, to massage about the ego, you know. We just there to speak the truth. Because that's what we're all about. Because if we do not speak the truth, we're not going to be able to forget about our country. We can't, alright. Yeah, and you know, when you talk about country, you know, say country, you know, it border another country, but you know, say Jamaica is an island, but you know, them just interchangeable talk about a country. So, you know, we'll give you some little, you know, context behind this law we are telling about. It's a law when in the Suppression of Crime Act. Yeah, anyhow Jamaica get back the law there, may I tell you, criminal, them, you see like how you have the mass exodus, I police them after Indicom Act. Alright, may I tell you this now. In 1980 when Edward Seaga become Prime Minister. Yeah. You know, back then, you know, we used to have artificial borderline in Jamaica, you know. The PNP criminal organization, I'm going to tell you that, you know. When we say artificial borderline, if you go even on YouTube and type and you will see what I mean in Jamaica in 1980, you used to have this painting them, you know, where them paint them all upon, when I say manual, because them are build like drainage system for, you know, various community where them are do construction work. And you see where them are right on the manual them. This is where them are right, say PMP zone, labor right keep out. That's how they used to do it in a zone. And most of the places in a Kingston metropolitan area are PMP community. So that's all you would say, PMP zone, and guess what? Why I never see no GLP zone, PMP keep out, you know, because predominantly, you know, the Kingston metropolitan area are PMP communities. And guess what? I them breed all of the criminals them. Most of the majority, remember say 98% of them in a prison, you know. So what we are trying to do here at the Jamaica Young Police, we are trying to save the youths them from these communities from end up in a prison or down a Madden. Or they depart along and then them end up now a Dovecat or Mapen. But 150 are we now, but what we leave, you know. Everybody, only one person sick and dead, and our youth name Skellion. Long and maga. Yeah, you see, you know, if you used to go asylum, you would have seen him. And him used to the one Willie got them black roses sometime. Me say I see him sick and dead. He my only one. Everybody else, Radcliffe Road, everybody else, a gunshot them get. And that Mapen or Dovecat. So that's why I tell you them say, I see we want to save life. You know, we tired of it and them thing there. And as you can see, you know, if you love crime, you know, and you love the killing, you can see what is happening right now, even with the Prime Minister and the opposition leader. While the Prime Minister out there a campaign, Mark Golding a meet with murder and them out there issue guns in a 2024. We don't want that kind of Jamaica there. We don't want that, you know, we want a Jamaica where, remember me I tell you say, we never used to art. You see, even in the 80s, one time we live in the 80s, we never have no burger bar on our house, you know, a Waterford, you know, no burger bar, you know. You know, one time we have to start get burger bar. My father have to put burger bar upon females. And in 1990, you know, then time them start bucking a people house, you know. Remember me tell you, you know, right up to 1990, you know. No burglar bar never used to put house in a Waterford, you know, and Portmore, you know. Because that's how we were as a people, you know. I tell you, you know, because we have a thing named the Suppression of Crime Act. That is a law that Michael Manley signed into law. The act, Michael Manley signed it. You understand? So we're going to tell you about it. So, you know, say throughout history, throughout history, crime is a thing where plagues societies around the world. And you know, say Jamaica was no exception to it. Because you have to remember who import terrorism to Jamaica, you know. Jamaicans and a whole, you know, say we as a people, if you go back in our culture and them thing, you know, we are the most violent black people them still that were on the ships them, you know, that them capture Africa to turn into slaves. You have to go back and read history. Jamaicans, yeah, our ancestors as black people were the most violent black people of all of the slaves them with them, of all of the black people that were them capture. Yeah, you have to read that again. Because most of the things still doing it. If you don't read it, you're not going to know. Nobody not tell you, you know, unless it's propaganda. So the reason why even us who end up in a Jamaica, you know, even some people ancestors end up in a Barbados, Yeah, man. Tune in and type and tell me where you're checking from. Whether you're checking from New York or you're checking from England, Canada. Yeah, make you know, where you're checking from. You understand? And you have to understand that our ancestors were some of the most violent black people. So when an African American, I tell you this now. When an African American, I tell you, say, because so them try to segregate themselves from us, So I'm not digress from the suppression of crime up, I show you why we get the suppression of crime up, because we are some violent people, I tell you. So during slavery, when them capture our people, our ancestors, them are African, and the Middle Passage for drop them off at the various ports. You see the African Americans, I tell you this now, they were the most submissive slaves on the ship. That's why them drop them off here in America. I tell you that, yeah, the one them were submissive, yeah. Them say, yeah, these are the good ones, so them drop them off in America. You see the one them where them feet with the one them where, cause you have to understand, a long time man I study the behavior of other human beings, So them say, boy, the real slaves them on the slave ship were the Jamaican slaves. So that's why them drop them off at Jamaica. So if you notice, if you look throughout history, and you look on all of the rebellion, the man were cast the colonizer and the enslavers, the money during slavery, at Jamaica, the Jamaican slave them do that. The Maroon them was the Maroon them and the British them, they were our enemies. When we say our, me attack me, you understand? The Maroon them were never our friends. Cause them killed the biggest hero we have still learned during the slavery was a man named Taki, And you see what the British make sure do when time we get independent. They make certain, Taki never become a hero, Taki are the one why we as black people get freedom, and why America become a republic, because of the Taki, it was a man that was leading the war against them, and cause them to stretch the military. So them have to fight two war on two different territory in America and in Jamaica, and then it spread in the Caribbean. Taki start that. And guess who killed Taki? I see a Maroon them, The same Maroon where you say Mark Golding up there with you understand? Say him aside with I British him still aside with the white people them enslave our people, The Maroon them were never black people friends. But them not teach that at school, Cause who you think write all of the history and the literature them when you read at school back in Jamaica and in the Caribbean? I see him colonizer them and them approve. You have to understand how history is history or them deal with respect Mari, man, from Canada. All them structure when they come on to history. Our winners normally write history, not the losers, Yes, although them lose the physical war, them are trying to win it through mental slavery. You understand? When they are the real oppressors, So as we tell you now, say the reason why we are the suppression of crime because Jamaican people and our whole are the most violent black people that were on the slave ships. That them, certain time we have travel from Africa to come west. So them say the royal slave, then them send them to Jamaica. So the Maroon them never were friend. Never ever will never be our friend. So we see Mark Golding arms up the Maroon them. The Maroon them, them should have go back at Britain, with the British them, because they were the enforcers of the British. Anytime one of our ancestors escape from our plantation, them capture them and bring them back. I Maroon them chop off Taki and put it on a stick and a pike, So so that and until even everything drop off of his skull and just leave his skull. That so say that stink up the place, That was a reminder, So the Maroon them, them terrorize our ancestors, So anybody that arms up in the Maroon, we don't need to think again. You understand? We are telling that the Maroon there was never our friends, they were our enemies. So when you see Mark Golding that arms them up, that for sure you say Mark Golding is not a friend of black people. But say them loving time people do not know them history, If you don't know your past, you're not going to know your future. And people love when they're ignorant so them can continue to oppress you. Because if you grow up in our community and right through your life, you see all of the people them when them claim say a bad man. And when you look at the end of the day, what always happen to them? Them either end up in prison or them dead from violently. Why would you want to choose that path? Why wouldn't you encourage the people them to choose another path? Them not doing it because them not tell them children to do that, you know. So that's why you say with the 15-year-old boy when him chicken back or kill chicken back, you know, him and him brother, you know. It's 3 brothers, you know, them kill them auntie man, you know, cracks, you know. Chicken back. One name Ice, one name Venom, and the other one name Ada. Ada and Chicken back resemble. So you see Chicken back we do a video about him. And look here, I will tell you, you know, when they have to massage about the ego, and you understand what I'm saying. We just there to tell you the real mama papa truth. So we continue the journey as we tell about say, you know, crime. So look now, so in the 1970s, you know, Michael Manley took a bold and decisive action to combat this ever-growing problem. So he introduced a groundbreaking law that would forever change Jamaica's crime fighting landscape. And guess what? In a 24-hour Michael Manley them do this, you know. Them kill a man named Leo Henry. You understand? Leo Henry was the man who owned Modern Furnishing Company on Slipo that are near to Jonestown and Shetula Park. And you see when them do that, may I tell you, because Michael Manley, friend that them killing them. Michael Manley had brought the two of the boy them that were kill the man and take away all them gun, you know. Because them man was Michael Manley, big financier, you know. I just saw it go. You understand? So on that fateful day, when Michael Manley signed a revolutionary legislation that would harden criminals and strike fear into their hearts, this law, the ultimate weapon against the forces of crime in Jamaica, and this law they call the Suppression of Crime Act. Yeah man, so the impact of this law, you know. Yeah, the impact of this law, it was far reaching and people could have feel it. The criminal them did free right, because guess what? The police never need no warrant for going on a house, and you understand, all you just need, you just have information and you just go and pursue the criminal them. And then that's out of the Suppression of Crime Act now, we get the Eradication Squad. The Eradication Squad was the most effective police fighting machine in Jamaica until 1993. 1993, Colonel Trevor Macmillan, them appoint him as Commissioner of Police. Just tell me where else in the world they would appoint a man will know nothing about science to become the head of a medical department. So that's what them do. So them give us Colonel Trevor Macmillan, and Trevor Macmillan become the Commissioner of Police, and him scrap eradication. So that's the, you know, everything that broke, you know, in Jamaica, you know, we reduce crime, you know. We are telling you this, you know. The PMP criminal organization dismantled it. But Michael Manley, you know, yet, you know, Michael Manley give us this law, a best law. No labor right government never give us a law like this. Michael Manley give Jamaica a best law ever for fight crime. But nobody now tell you that, you know. If them tell you about it, them attack like say it was a wicked law. It was the best law. We are telling you that. At the time, Michael Manley loved Jamaican people. But guess how, which Jamaican people? And rich people, Michael Manley, the parcel and them lawyer friend them. Because them did want it, you know. This is same like how, alright. This is same like how them kill the paralegal the other day. And same Bert Samuels, I say, why them need to start ban people where ride pillion off a bike. I see him thing nothing to do with the Suppression of Crime Act. You have to understand that. Them people never play, you know. So once anything happen to them just use knee-jerk thing, and I saw them get rid of it. Yeah, knee-jerk thing, and I saw them act. Them not act off, you know, because they are thinking. Them just act off of emotion. Yeah. Yeah, man, listen, Frank. Yeah, man, welcome, Millicent, man. Yeah, man. More love to you, you know, my sister. Yeah. Yeah, man, thanks for tuning. Yeah, man, share the life, man, you know. Many people, because you know, so we are the Jamaica Young Police. We are not beholden to anyone, you know. We are not on the payroll of the Jamaica Labour Party government or the PMP criminal organization. Over here is Team Jamaica. Anybody will make Jamaica better. Because we not support no criminality. Yeah, man, we don't love criminals. Because they are one of the parasites, you know. As we say, yeah. So, Yeah, man. Yeah, welcome, Millicent. Yeah, man. You know, thanks for tuning in. So I will say, and we continue to say, we just want back with Jamaica. And this law when Michael Manley did have on the books, it work. Yeah, man. You know, blessed chaps, it work, man. And we are telling us the reason why it work, because it drive fear in the heart of criminals. We are telling, yeah, it's like how after we get the Indicom Act and police start migrate from Jamaica in a mass. I saw the criminal them do when Siaga become prime minister and start use the same line, what the PMP them use, as a knee-jerk reaction, because them a kill them friend, And then after that, what them do? Why them coming up power? We soon tell you on them things. So yeah, so the impact of the Michael's Manley law was immediate and profound. Yeah, man. After them kill Leo Henry. Police officers were given enhanced powers and resources to crack down on criminal activities. Michael Manley do that, We are telling about some good thing what Michael do, So you understand? Yeah, we are telling you, because no other prime minister never give you a law like this. A best law we will ever have in Jamaica for fight crime. We are telling you, Michael Manley give the Jamaican people that make we safe. A theme law that, Yes, and it's Siaga use when Micah after him win. He never trouble it because it work. So that for sure you say Siaga wasn't a partisan person, Siaga love Jamaican, because if Michael Manley have a law that work and Siaga coming up and him not change it, him use it. That for sure you say the law that even Sasha Hyde, yeah man, blessed love my sister, yeah man, and welcome to the live. So we just want to sure you say Michael Manley signed a law, a act into law, and Siaga took over from him as prime minister, and he never changed it, him use the law. So that goes to show you, say, whether or not you like Siaga or not, that shows you Siaga love Jamaicans, because Michael Manley passed a law that was to protect the Jamaican people, them and drive fear in the heart of criminals. And Siaga come and him ride with it, him not change it, him never amend it, anything like that. Because him love the Jamaican people as what Michael Manley, that was the law was intended to make the people of Jamaica safe, and Siaga use it to more than advantage with the security force. Him never remove it. So at them law, if we have that law right now in Jamaica, a suppression of crime at me, I tell you, as a police officer, I experienced a little light and it was very good. Yeah man, very effective in fighting crime. And as a youth growing up, it made me safe. No artificial borderline exists then. You know who was afraid? At the gunman them. And then the police. A gunman did afraid and I other people. We are telling so that's why we are telling so when we are growing them thing there. No, in the 80s right up to 1991, people never used to have burglar bar upon them house. So they have to just look and see what happened. Because we have the suppression of crime act. Yes. So we are telling you, so the police officer them, they were now equipped to combat even the most hardened criminals effectively. So back then, one time we have the suppression of crime act and them thing when Michael Manley signed it into law. You saw all a gang, out by what do you think that? Well, hey, look here, we have a digress looking at them thing there. Well, the reason why them not talk about who not talk about Marcus Garvey? No, tell me, because whether or not you want to believe it, although that is a side, that a digression, but we answer you anyway. Right now, still doing the Jamaica Labour Party, this government, the woman named Favour Williams, she had implement the teaching of Marcus Garvey in a school in Jamaica from what them call, and a basic school them call it now, everything American, from kindergarten to high school, it's in it and it's on the channel. But the only reason why you don't hear anything about it, because it's the Labour government do it. You're not going to hear that from Muta Baruch and all of them people there and Kaba, because them are PMP criminal organization supporter and activists. You have to understand, most of the Jamaican people, them mouthpiece, old people and them thing there, enough of them benefit from the corruption and them love it. So that's why you don't hear them talk about it. Yeah man, why was Henry killed? I rob them, they rob him, man. Rob him and kill him. Remember I see him PMP criminal organ. Henry was a PMP, a big PMP financier. So not heavy. You understand? And majority of the people, them business people that were being killed back then, it was a people them. Remember, 85% of the Kingston metropolitan area are PMP criminal organization supporters. I am from one of them. You understand? So you say you read the philosophy of opinion. When I was in immigration, it's one of the best book, man. That the book they come like a black man Bible that we're not supposed to read the only, but if you want to know about yourself, you have to read that the book, man. Yeah, man, the philosophy and opinion of Marcus Garvey. You understand? But you know, when I go digress from Michael Manley right now. So we are continuing for sure. Say Michael Manley did some great things, yeah. He went to Ulmas, so you know that, yeah, man, blessed luck. I know me have a brother who used to go to Ulmas too, you know. Yeah, man, same last name and thing, but him changing name right now. All one time he must sing and all them thing there. Yeah, man, I have a little brother who used to go to Ulmas. Yeah, man, you know, bright, yeah. Yeah. So as we are telling now about the suppression of crime and them thing there where Michael Manley gave the Jamaican people, it make us safe. But he's not the one that used it to make us safe, you know. Yeah, blessed love. It was Edward Siaga. And I tell you how it work. We never have, you see, like when you have artificial borderline, right now even at Jonestown. Yeah. Who involved in the drugs? Wasn't he? Who you attack? Henry? Leo Henry never involved in the drugs. Well, look here, in the 70s and them thing, you know, right up to the 80s, you see a thing named Coptic, you know. Coptic country. I don't know if you know about that, you know. It was a Rasta movement, and you understand. Them, you know, back in the days and them thing, I saw enough Jamaican, enough big wig them with Jamaica, we have money now and them thing, and enough of them was drug dealers, you know. I tell you that, you know. But I watch a guy and them thing, but yet that them guy and I tell you about morality and them thing, you understand. Yeah, enough of them did involve in it, man. Yeah, anyway, I know, look here. I know anyway, although a whole heap of businessman where I tell you at Jamaica they didn't involve in it because them used to expose them used to expose right. Well, say uptown and him run big. Yeah, but remember say but Fim uncle was a former deputy commissioner of police. But we soon talk about, we address a thing, you understand? But we are talking about Michael now. Him, yeah, you have to understand, so him well connected and them thing there. And say Ian Musk got a prison for him too. Yes. No. Millard, yeah man. A deputy commissioner of police named Millard. So we are telling now about with Michael Manley with Millard. Is not Milford, it's Millard, the former deputy commissioner of police. Yeah. So with this law now, tell her about Gilbert Kamika who killed boy. Yeah, we talk about that and them thing there. Hey, look here, him now. Boy Kamika, him set up himself, because I just saw it go. I saw it go when I go mix up with Corros, and through my white man, and him tell the girl say I'm a businessman and them thing, and him have gun. And a big married man, you understand? And I saw it go and go mix up with Corros, and I saw him go lose him life. Because they never know say I'm a police, Me, that couldn't happen to me and them thing, because I'm going to mix up with Corros. You can't boy a big man, you have a nice house and your nice family. You're going on a boardhouse cup, because you get you do them thing there. And as a big man and them thing there, him supposed to stay with him, stay down era 4 instead of go look for corrosion. You understand? So as we are telling you now, say Michael Manley, yeah, when you come on to one of the best law that we get in Jamaica for fight crime, for make us safe, was Michael Manley gave us that law. It's called the Suppression of Crime Act. Yeah, the suppression of crime. Yeah, man. Welcome, Darcy Stewart. The person went to jail for him, and he asked him to take care of the baby, and he didn't, and that's why he came out and he took revenge. That's true. So as we tell you now, so with Michael Manley with this law and thing there, Michael Manley didn't make us safe as Jamaican with this law. And that's how we want, we want with leaders in Jamaica for do. Not because a year part, it's just like with meds. Well, remember with the NIDS, if the PMP them, you know, one of them Julian Robinson, cause so the PMP is a criminal organization. We are telling that NIDS, you know, this was a Portia Simpson, a PMP criminal organization, brainchild enough to fight crime, you know. You understand? Yeah. And you know the PMP the labor them though, when the labor them we're in a power now, them gonna continue it, you know, and pass it in a lot of signs, you know. And the same PMP can the Jamaican government, the Labour government got court, and you know say remember saying, you know, yeah, the court, you know, is been stuck with all kind of PMP criminal organization supporters, you know. And you know what the judge them do? Them struck it down and said unconstitutional, you know. At the brainchild of Portia Simpson, you know, Portia Simpson legacy that's supposed to carry on, you know. But here, you know, all them stairs like some little man baby, they must say, oh, if I know we pass it, we are against it. If you are for something, no matter who, so that's why we are showing you say the difference. You know, you can't just love somebody sometime and you don't love them all the time. So that's why we are telling you say the suppression of crime act now, that Michael Manley pass into law. When Siaga won election, Siaga never get rid of it, him use it because him love Jamaican people. Michael Manley love the people then, but guess how which people him love? Rich people and the lawyer, them and them thing there. So we continue the action, we continue the journey. Yeah, so with the law in action, criminals now face swift and severe punishment. And we say swift and severe punishment. Yeah, you see, I will tell you this now. You see the suppression of crime act, how it drive fear in the heart of criminals. A guy, you know, say, you say if you rape a sister or rob somebody, you know, so when the police come. Well, I tell you this now, the law was like the same kind of law where the American police them have. You understand? The same law them where the American police them have. I hate them using it. Same time the police, if you rob, rape, or kill somebody, is when the police them come. You say them come for you and then find you and them left a message say if you come I station and you not come. You say time they come, you go straight to the departure lounge. So I saw them drive fear in the heart of criminal law. So now all of the Tony Welsh them, all of the Willie got them, all of the bad man them start migrate. Them guys migrate got England and America and Canada. And I saw America, Canada and England, I saw for them crime rate escalate because our criminals them migrate from Jamaica to these first world country and they migrate with them criminal tactics. You understand? And then they migrate, a man so decides about him had change him life. Yeah, Michael Manley, man, I see him Joshua, man. Joshua, I see him Michael Manley. Joshua, yeah, man. A Michael Manley, them call Joshua. Him scam the Rasta them and them thing there with. So him get the rod of correction from Haile Selassie, which was lie, you know. You understand? Because Haile Selassie, he never share Michael Manley philosophy. Just like if you know about history and them thing there, and if it was the PMP alone, Marcus Garvey would not be a national hero, and Marcus Garvey would not be buried in a hero circle. You have to understand, you know. And I see him, you see him man where the rest of them eat. Edward Siaga why Marcus Garvey is a national hero, you know. But I'm not gonna tell you that, you know, because him putting political career on the line to bring back Marcus Garvey back to Jamaica. Because and the two cousins, Bustamante and Norman Manley, them say if Marcus Garvey return to Jamaica, they must bury him upside down because I'm a traitor. The reason why them say I'm a traitor because Marcus Garvey not talk for black people. You have to understand how them people operate, you know. Them never like black people, you know. Yeah man, them the PMP them never like Marcus Garvey. The first political party former Jamaica, you know, it wasn't between the two families and Marcus Garvey, you know. But for sure, you say black people, in case you don't know, you know. You see black people don't love themselves, you know. Marcus Garvey is the first political party former in Jamaica. You understand? And it never gained a traction. I see him, two family, them two cousins. You understand? Former two different political party. So whether or not you want to believe on them thing there. No, it was a QAnon, Marcus Garvey and Norman in a KSAC council. And you understand, Marcus Garvey, I tell him, say, you know, you don't love black people, you're a traitor and them thing there. And him call Marcus Garvey the N-word and Marcus Garvey thump him down. I saw Marcus Garvey go to prison. And Norman Manley, why Marcus Garvey got prison. If you listen right through Michael Manley time, you never hear mention that man name one time. Because they never like Marcus Garvey, because Marcus Garvey speak the truth. So all you see when you see Mark Gold and all them people there, right, a case you see, that's yeah man, right, that's Marcus Garvey, they thump him down. So you have to read the book on them thing there, yeah, Marcus Garvey said and the philosophy of Marcus Garvey. Because everything that Marcus Garvey promotes, you know, Marcus Garvey no promote no socialism and them thing there. Marcus Garvey want black people to use them mind. First, yeah, you know, although we are digress on them thing there. First, Marcus Garvey want black people, first you feel love yourself as being black. Yeah, so you say all you hear the song will say young, gifted and black with the American, you know? And Marcus Garvey that I come from, you know. That woman, you know, she was a Marcus Garvey Heights, you know. But you know, so she did die in exile. Nina Simone. Yes, you understand? Boy, hey, that man I know him thing, man. Nina Simone. So you know, you hear the song say young, gifted and black that I come from Marcus Garvey. And Marcus Garvey, you know, tell black people, say, boy, if you love themselves. You understand? Yeah, Michael Manley, them not tell black people them that. Them a tell us, boy, if you have 2 cars, yeah, you forgive you know, your neighbor have none, you give him 1. No, Marcus Garvey say, if you have 2 cars, you for work and buy 10 for yourself. Become an entrepreneur. Marcus Garvey teach black people, say, if you think, because most of the invention them, if you look, you know, whether or not you want to believe it, you know, and all of them people, that's why we want back with Jamaica, you know. Because I tell you, you know, we have some criminal in Jamaica whether or not you want to believe, you know. You say if them use them creativity, them ingenuity and put this to become inventors, them invent some dangerous things, man. May I tell you. So that's why when Marcus Garvey say black people have the greatest minds, we have the greatest mind. Black people are the only people in the world who forgive everyone and that love everyone, you know, and nobody no like we, you know. If you notice, you know, no race on the earth love black people, you know. We're not talking about a fraction of them. We are say, like it's like how wholesome we as black people. Alright, look. Alright, looking at Jamaica, any other Caribbean country. Any race of people go there and them thing there, from them no speak the same dialect. I love them, I show you on them thing there, but yet still guess what? Guess who we eat? We eat with same brother and sister we speak the same dialect and the same language like we. But a man we speak the different language, we arms him up and we show him love. So that's why we always get infiltrated and we're at this juncture as a people. You know, but yeah. But I don't want to digress on Michael Manley. If you tell us Michael Manley as a prime minister, him give us the best ultimate crime fighting law in Jamaica. So Michael Manley, yeah man, we hail him as one of the greatest prime minister when it comes on to that law, the Suppression of Crime Act. Yeah man, Michael Manley, give you that law. Make Jamaican people see it, but after them kill him friends still alone, Leo Henry. Yeah, I saw it got. You understand? And guess what? I see him people that were Michael Manley send to Cuba, you know, come back, you know, and them see him and use the same trading and kill him, you know. You understand? So, you know, so with the law in action, criminals now face swift and severe punishment. And them could not hide in our shadows, you know, prone and innocent people. They were exposed and justice was served swiftly. We used to get swift justice. Ask anyone who used to live in the 80s and them thing in Jamaica. That this law where Michael Manley did pass, you know. The Suppression of Crime Act, you know. A man committed a robbery and got a house and hey, because I tell you, you know, yeah, in the 80s and them thing there, we were our brothers and sisters keeper, you know. So a man committed a robbery and he run gone in the house. We never have no house phone and all them thing there, you know. Yeah, you understand? In the 90s, we start get house phone and them thing there. Because phone, it was just only rich people alone in Jamaica could afford house phone, you know. So yeah, you have to give you know, Michael Manley credit for that thing, because Michael Manley make we have house phone our yard and them thing there, yeah. So back then we never have no phone and them thing if you call the police station. People forgot a phone box. So you have to wonder how the police them would have get that information back then. If you know say, yeah, you know, say I'm up at the boy will live side of me, him go rob and kill all the people them out at wholesale. And then when the police them come, you just hear them clap him up, blah, 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 blah. And you see them come out with him, and then they put him in a chunk of the car with him 2 foot them out. I saw it used to go there. Them think they drive fear in their heart of a criminal. Yeah, the Suppression of Crime Act, Michael Manley law that. You understand? So yeah, that did work. And look here, you say I'll rapist, a man a rape a woman, may I tell you, it's wicked upon him. Yeah man. Yeah. Well, hey, him can't go back a job. Hey, him can't go back a job. Because them have work down if you lock him up, man. It's just because the charge with them for charge him is not extraditable. But hey, you say, well, we're going to diagnose on them thing now. We're going to tell you again now. So you say it go now. Alright, look at the different. Alright, look at the difference with all of the. Alright, so we are talking about entertainer for sure about culture and acidity. Remember, say, my father is a PMP criminal organization community as you know as I am. And look what him do. If you show you say him and Ninja Man, you know, my father and Ninja Man are two DJ them. When an ambition, on God's earth, you as a father encourage your youth to commit crime. Oh, what kind of father you can be? So him a female young son now that prison for murder and him to America. Anytime him go to Jamaica, him go to jail, you know. And you know him a say no boy because him a PMP. Oh, none of bounty killer youth them. Oh, none of bounty killer youth they never go to jail. As bad as the rear admiral being the man, he never have none of him. He never encourage him them to commit crime like Ninja Man and my father. Vibes Cartel boy them. You know, although them still around and them thing, don't be surprised, you know, you understand. You know, plenty people, we remember at one time, yeah, yeah man, blessed love man from Lucy, yeah man, Jai, you are the man, yeah man, respect Sir Light. Yeah, so we're telling you, so you have some of them guys here, you know, some of them artists here, you know, where at them, yeah man, Maryland, USA, yeah man, welcome Danville. Some of these artists, you know, they are nothing but debt merchants, you know. You understand? Yeah, no matter how much money them have. And when I tell people, based on my experience, you know, I tell you about artists and them thing there. I two artists I can tell about, you know. And when I say that I can do give a, I think when you affidavit, anybody know about affidavit in America? Affidavit is a sworn statement where you get, and if you lie upon it, you can't go to jail. You can't go to prison feed. I two artists I can get an affidavit about them character and them thing there is Bounty Killer and Shabarang. So them are involved in them thing there. Shabarangs, you never hear Shabarangs give a man money for buying a shot or a gun nor a Bounty Killer. And I see people them a Bounty Killer love them a CV, you know, and them say that them choose rat bat, you know. A man they destroy them, you know, to kill them one of the line rat, but they are foreign, you know. I understand now, so him in America, him live have a house a whole harbor. But him, you know, say a female in a bit of them thing there. And them choose the man where I tell them to kill one another than the artist, the man who come from the belly of the beast and reach up there and I tell them, say, look here, the whole of we in there and I live good. We have a disagreement, but not because we have a disagreement. And I mean to say, because of disagreement if you kill a man. You know what I'm saying? So boy, Bounty Killer a traitor and him for dead too. That's why I feel left down a sea and I them come from. So that will show you say that the people them love killing each other. That's why we want to change the mindset of the people them. And that's all about. You know, save life. Because every life is precious, you know. I don't care about whether a man black, yellow, green, a life is a life. Because none of them have two life. But you know, so some people behave like them have 10. At the end of the day, all of we are the same place. As my mother always say, every man are go dead, you know. But it's just that some people are go dead before others. And some people have to dead before others because it's like you have bad weed in the garden, you have to get rid of the bad weed, you know. Because if you don't get rid of the bad, it will destroy the others. So that's why some people, the suppression of crime act did work. You understand? Yeah, the suppression of crime act work. We are telling you that. You understand? So the effect of the Michael Manley's law, the suppression of crime act, yeah man, could be seen in the streets of Jamaica. You know, communities were safer and citizens could finally breathe a sigh of relief. Fear no longer rule their lives. So, but we are telling us Michael Manley give you the best law ever for fight crime at Jamaica. There's no other law, no other prime minister sign an act into law that protect the Jamaican people as Michael Manley. Yes, and guess what? And them same man come and them same man repeal it. Because here are now. People don't like to hear the truth, you know. We are telling this, you know. Remember, you know. Those of you who understand maths and percentage, them still remember them teach with them thing they either primary or early age school you go to Jamaica, yeah. And when you go high school, you know, you learn it on a higher level still, percentage. So you know, say, although you know, so sometimes you know, say, boy, I think increased by 500%, and some people say 500%, yeah. because it's a multiplication, you know, you understand what I'm saying? So, you know, say, in a percentage, you know, the initiality is 100%. And then out of the 100%, whether if the thing increase, out of the 100%, you know, so the percentage increase. If it decrease, you know, so the percentage go down. So out of 100% of the people them in a prison in Jamaica, 98% of them, they are from PMP criminal organization background, or PMP communities, or leaning PMP. We have to learn for listening, because, as I said before, I'm going to say it again, you know, about 150 away, you know. I talk about me. I want to 12 left. Me and a youth named Orius Dinah Brown. He needs to pay for Arnett Garden. I'm going to be on Dinah alone left. As somebody from the same group. Everybody. I'm going to one person out of it die from natural cause. From Jonestown. One. We used to go to Puto Basic School and all them things there. So, as we, you know, so we are telling you all them things there. We we don't want, we just want the people, we just want to save youth lives. We want to save youth life. Because if you respect yourself, you know, you got to respect another person, you know. If you have a mother, you got to respect an next man's mother, you know. And all of these things when you see happen, all them things, a man say, a man kill all them. No, look here, you know. Even, alright, we're sure, you know, and just look, you know. The youth named Danville Palmer. Yeah, Danville Palmer, you know. George Pang, you know. George Pang and Danville Palmer, stepfather, you know. Danville Palmer, mother, you know, have a son for George Pang, you know. When man them kill a Maya Street at Jonestown, you know. So I don't know Danville Palmer come from a criminal organization family, you know. If me have my brother and them kill him because I'm a fire gun, why me not gonna take up no gun? Where you gonna take up gun for? Why you want people to be afraid of you? And this is it, you know, all them have this thing all wrong. A man feels a man afraid of him that I love. That is not love. A man afraid of you that I don't love. So if you say anything happen to you, the least chance you get forgive you for them kill you. And that's him I do. So that's not love. So all of these people them feel like, so you know, just like all George Brown now, in a Jonestown, hear them say, boy, them call him Power Man, them call him Pepper. You understand? So them see him and we say, boy, him and the man and them thing there. It's just an ego thing, you know. And guess what now? You see the man now where peaceful and him not kill nobody and him not encourage nobody to kill nobody. Them see him as idiot. We don't want that. You want, everything have to do with the mindset, you know. So when a man feel like say, him can kill your mother and your father and there's no consequences, and then he might tell you say informer for dead. Just think about it. If you have your mother and your father and somebody kill your mother and your father, would you want the person to face justice? Sure. So why you want to kill? So why you want to kill some? You don't want nobody to hurt your mother and your father, but you're a man in an argument. And guess what? Most of these killings, you know, it's all about feelings, you know, emotion, you know. A man feelings hurt. So most of them man are some men baby, you know. That's why, you know, the suppression of crime act did work. When Michael Manley did pass. Yeah, and liquid criminal man, may I tell you, criminal used to live in a fear of losing them life, not the law-abiding citizens. You understand? So Michael Manley was a good prime minister in terms of fighting crime. Not using the police was, you know, because the police them was under-resourced when he was prime minister, but this law was the best law ever from independence that we had. So Michael Manley relentless dedication to the safety and well-being of the Jamaican people, the rich people, you know, not the poor people. Because once the poor people them kill each other, them no business. Because you have to understand. Just look what man them thing in time, poor people dead. You ever see a poor man, them kill a poor man. Just say, them kill a poor man even downtown, or down at Tivoli Gardens, or down at Denham Town, down at Jungle. You ever see them kill anybody at them place and you see any big shot go there and them thing there? Them now go there and them thing there. The only time you see that happen in time, Willie Aga, the dead, you see Parliament, them stop, them Parliament adjourn, and Peter Phillips and Omar Davey and all of them go up a jungle for, and then them go down a Madden for say, boy, wait, I really got really dead. So that for sure who them care about is a power, a people who make sure them hold on to power. So when I look at a regular guy dead, them not care. But look, I just saw it go. And I people, if you don't want accountability from these people, you're not going to get it. So it will just continue that way there. So that's why I tell you, say, Michael Manley give us a hack, man, the suppression of crime act. It help the Jamaican people big time. Yes, it help, man, because it drive fear in the heart of criminals. So today, Jamaica is a shining example of how one man's vision and determination can transform a nation. So thanks to Michael Manley for the ultimate crime fighting law, the Suppression of Crime Act. Yeah, man, the Suppression of Crime Act, Jamaica make Jamaica a safer and more secure place to live. Michael Manley did that. I remember it was a remarkable achievement by Michael Manley when he was Prime Minister, as he upheld his determination to combat crime and tougher criminals by implementing an unprecedented law in Jamaica. So that law, that's how we get all the gun coat, gun coat, and it did paint in a red, and the red means a dread, because them kill Michael Manley friend in the layer end, So that way I tell you, so that only time they respond with a tough crime fighting measure, Yes, man, because they kill Michael Manley friend, Leo Henry. See him, brigadista, him send guy Cuba go trade. The man rob him and kill him, take away him briefcase and take away all him gun. And Michael Manley, them case try fast. That's why we tell you, you see this Prime Minister, if him want to be right now, if Andrew Holness want to be a popular prime, just come out and say, why, we're going to start broke neck, I tell you, say Jamaican people, them, all of them, all PMP would have voted for him, Because people tired of killing. You don't want to know, say, you in a man, because you know, say, in a Jamaica, it's easier for a murderer get away with killing somebody, than you as a law-abiding citizen to get a job. How that? Because so them design a system, encourage people to commit crime, and a man will tell us, as the least thing you have him tell us, boy, I'm a killer. We don't want that. That's not right. It's not right, my brother. You understand, I'm a sister. We have to live as one, man. We have to be our brothers and sisters keeper. And that's how we are going to be safe for each other. We can't be there and, you understand? And we just have to care about ourselves. Because remember, when things happen, you say, boy, my own business don't affect me, You say, when it affects your neighbor, say, then it affects another person. After a while, you say, when it reach you, when it reach you, nobody, not going to say nothing, because you don't have nobody there for talk. Because everybody done dead already. So, who have to fight? Yeah, man. Well, hey, if we reinstate the Suppression of Crime Act, it have to go through Parliament. Yeah, because the Suppression of Crime Act give police, you see the same powers where the American police them have. I see them powers the Suppression of Crime Act give the police in Jamaica. And we soon tell you, I see him, yeah. Yeah, man, Michael Manley give with that law, man, for protect the Jamaican people, but it wasn't for protect the poor. It was to protect the rich. Cliff Hughes talk about it, and remember, all of these PMP criminal organization law, them say it was an oppressive law. You have to remember, it was an oppressive law because the police were able to kill criminals easily. Yeah, you understand? That's why you have, when you talk about name brand police are killing most criminal. You have a policeman named Tom Levine. Most people, the first time they hear about him, Jamaican people are over here. And the reason why I don't hear about because that's the man that when I was growing up, criminal afraid of him. A detective. If you notice now, anywhere you live in Jamaica, most people don't even know the detective them are where them live. Because the detective them are like bank tellers. Tom Levine was the man that drive fear in the heart of criminal. Tom Levine supposed to, anybody will come from Rima in my age group or older would know about Tom Levine. And as a year one old time bad man named 13 we come from out of Backbush. You understand? Because Backbush was PMP before it become Yeah, man, a PMP give you the best law for fight criminal. But the reason why Michael Manley did give you the law because them kill him friend named Leo Henry, the modern furnishing guy who owned it. Modern furnishing company, was the courts back then. You understand? Yeah. Modern furnishing company was like courts back then in Jamaica. Yeah. So Leo Henry was a PMP criminal organization supporter. You understand? At them control, them control the city and them thing there. So them man there, Michael Manley was friend. And I see him PMP them kill him. And Michael Manley never take him less than 2 years for broke them neck. So this Prime Minister want for broke neck. And we have said it long time. You say, may I tell you this, whether or not, whether you like Edward Seaga or not, You see when Seaga Prime Minister, we are telling you, we're not, and when nobody tell you, we are telling you this as we are fucking, When Seaga become Prime Minister, a criminal did run from Jamaica, That's why America, that's why them start deport people back to other countries, Jamaicans come, America come cause that, so Jamaican, same thing when them do at Jamaica. Alright, I go post on a video in a Patreon. The Gully Man Posse, that's our PMP organization. You have the Gully Man Posse and the Shower Posse. Two dangerous guys, You understand? The Gully Man Posse, come to America and kill all the owner for one building and take it over, for 9 years in America, And at them, so you can't stay there. I saw now them start, and the people them in America without papers, They're not the papers and them, and they are sell on the street, because the immigration thing was so weak. That's why if it was a Democrat alone, I know them people have green card that's still in America. And Republican them still doing at them why them start the poor people in the 90s, Because back then a man of him green card is like him a citizen. So that's why them tell us say a lot of them can't change anytime. But Buster Man they say we told the Labour right side and Michael Manley say hold strong and the first. Now man, and Michael Manley, may I tell you man, Michael Manley in the way best law we fight crime. Michael, the suppression of crime at work, may I tell you. Let's look on it and you will see, how it take the crime, the murder tally. When Seaga did get it and them thing, it was over 1,000, although back then the police never did really keep statistics and data the amount of murder in Jamaica. Because even right now we still not get the real statistic of murder and data of how many people being killed a year time. People that are missing, them have them say them dead, them just missing. If you look, there every year hundreds of Jamaicans missing and they are not a part of a murder tally. So you understand? And people just kill them and bury them. So my family knows that them family member dead, You understand? I just say it. So I would tell you man, Michael Manley's groundbreaking legislation transform Jamaica's legal landscape and make it less hospitable environments for criminals to thrive. Michael, that already make them uncomfortable, but Michael Manley, him just not use it, because back then you charge illegal gun and life imprisonment to get You understand? But while this same, may I tell you, so them said, I will show you them stay now. While Michael Manley send the same youth, then go to Cuba for train for use illegal gun and them thing and come back and unleash it. Then them same one now, them have law now for send the same youth, them go to prison. So you see it? Them claims that them love you, but the only thing they want to do is you commit crime for them, but then I see them are sending in prison. So you say you can't think for yourself, that is what happened to you. You understand? That's why it's good when you can't think. That's why they don't like people who can think critically. So that's why now most people who come from my community, them not gonna like me, because them can't tell it, them cannot say that I'm lying. This is what them trying to do now, for shut you up now. Oh, you're Labour right. Because PMP, for ever since, PMP, only people them, will talk publicly say them are PMP, The Labour right with that, and him not said nothing. Him not tell us I'm a Labour right. Because Labour right, they are more intelligent and they are more observant people. PMP people, them just brash and loud and illiterate, most of them. As you hear when them talk about even with the Gaza Nation. So when they talk about the Gaza Nation, almost the PMP criminal organization supporters them are activists. The people them follow Vibes Cartel. I just say it go. You understand? Illiteracy is bliss among them. So when you educate yourself and you speak truth, them say them tell you say you're Labour right. So you have to decide if you want to be, a person who speak truth at all times. Because when you speak the truth, you're going to have many enemies. And I just say it go. People not gonna like you. And you have to just stand. You have to just stand for what you believe in. It's not who is right, but what is right. And I just say it go when you come on to, speaking the truth. I will tell you, about this, the suppression of crime act. It's very, very effective, So through we have spoken to many police officers who were serving during the time when we have the suppression of crime act, and we speak with experts and we gain some unique insight into the ingenious strategy employed by Michael Manley to curb the crime rates and empower law enforcement agencies. Witness a leader unparalleled dedication to recognizing that eliminating criminal activities was crucial for societal growth and development. So at the same time, we have crime and increase in Jamaica. It now help the Jamaican people, and it help the criminal wing of the Jamaican society. And most people don't even know who are the real criminals in Jamaica. You think a little man with a fire gun, I see people them uptown, and them are the one who behind all the crime in it. You think little boy down a back to? Me I tell you this here fucking alright, as we are talking about back to. When I was stationed at Hunsby, you understand? Most of my time at Hunsby I spend it. One time I get transferred from Hunsby and them send me to Seaview Gardens for the election in 1997. Yeah, 97. Yeah, 97. Yeah, the election in December. Them send me down to Seaview Garden for open the police station because I've been at Hunsby and them know me and Bobby Reds and all them things, and we can't tell you, so we make the nitty gritty boy them. I tell you, we make them feel it. Yeah, by the time them, you see, just like the see, we are telling you, you see me like your ear where the PMP Criminal Organization Councillor I talk about, or the police them come and with them ear plot up and this and that. Why the part that kind of when the part when police not supposed to. Police are work undercover, but why the part there, I'm on the thing say a gunman, police are supposed to that way there. But the thing is that now we were a plainclothes police officer and we used to ride bicycle. So by the time the criminals realize, wait, a police them, lights out and you understand, them gone where them supposed to go. So we mash up a whole heap of them all over in St. Andrew South by riding bicycle. So you have to have different strategy of a fight crime. So as we tell you now, it's not a little poor man from now back to and he can't afford the gun. So we are telling you about Bob Marley's son named Ziggy Marley. We are showing say and a little man them involved in it. So when once we will get information, a boy did get straight to the departure lounge and the boy mother say the gun, Tell me say a gun, say Ziggy Marley. Yeah man, Bob Marley's son, same Ziggy Marley in California, Ziggy Marley. That's how my mother says, Ziggy Marley give them the gun, give boy a gun on them thing there. Cause 7 gun them did issue. So I saw me get to talk to Ziggy Marley. So that for sure say it's not the little poor man in there, little people them live in a little shanty town them. And them can't afford the gun. A people who live uptown and they are the ones who are behind all of these things. So that's why them do everything for weakness security forces because them want the criminals them for take all of the communities them. Because if you remember any idea, I did done them, them responsible for the vote them, Because I say if you done them, if the people them not vote, them know what time it is. You have to vote when election day. Come on there. But if people them live in a PMP community them, and you understand, and the Labour right community them have to go vote for them. Oh, I have to vote. If you not vote, you can't stay there. I tell you, I saw it go. Well, I just saw it go. You understand? But say it's just the last election that say the Labour right them get so much vote from in a concrete in a jungle and Jonestown first. Let's look on it. And the reason is because you have the soldier them at the unit and in community center. So no one man couldn't just go there and vote for everybody like what them used to. So that's why they don't like Andrew Holness. You understand? Yeah. They don't like Andrew Holness. Because I saw it used to go, The Labour right and the PMP them were there as I not even remember them call them indoor agents and them thing they were there. Them see and blind, ear and deaf, and one man just come and vote for everybody. In a community I just saw it go and you just vote for PMP straight. Labour right now get no vote. But now if you look on the last election and look on the data, you can't believe how many Labour right live in a Jonestown and jungle. When we say jungle we are talking Angola, Havana, Texas, Pegasus, all of them places, Zimbabwe. And you notice, hey, if you notice, none of the community them do not name any community they have a nice place, you know, like call it Hollywood or call it Miami. If you notice, you know, all of these communities, them always give them some criminal, some terrorist name. Just look. Hey, look, you see how the part where me used to live on a jungle? Guess where part where name? Let me say, oh, good for guess where part where name. The part where me used to live on in a concrete jungle. No man, Tokyo, them not gonna name no. Anywhere, and look here, anywhere that is decent and no Singapore, no man, you know, them not name no part in a PMP community with anything that is make you want to aspire, if you want to live in our community like that. You mad? Not Singapore. Them not just Singapore, and them not. If you notice, look, when you talk about Cherry Gardens and Beverly Hills, if you look in America, you know, all of them places, you know, poor rich people live there, you know. Look for the place where poor people them live in Jamaica. Which where all of me come from. All of them places, you know, some place across the Atlantic and the Pacific, our place where they kill people like nothing, you know. The part where me used to live by name Scarface pathway. No, Black Rose. Well, Black Rose is a good name on them thing there. Yeah, the pathway where me used to live by name Scarface pathway. I swear, yeah man, Scarface. So when you write a letter on them thing there, ask anybody Scarface pathway. And you say, wow, yeah man. I remember say Scarface, you know, as a bad man that, you know, that you understand what I'm saying. That before the movie, you know. So the PMP didn't know about Scarface and everything there from Cuba will come to Miami, you know. Scarface pathway. Why them couldn't name the pathway like New York City or New York? All of the nice places where rich people them live. Everywhere black people, where poor people them live, I pay wicked. Vietnam. All the other man say live all Russia. Remember I said Russia, you know, is a I said, oh, you saw them have as other people. A man never think, and I say, wait. All when I look upon it and I say, why? No wonder why the people them, you know, from in them community there is crime, you know. Crime, them embedded crime in your mind, you know. You understand? Cause you're a man now. Yeah, you just know, I guess that, yeah, a man I say no on them things. They say, boy, a man would never think of fit. A man, why don't never think of some nice name instead of Zimbabwe? Instead of say Zimbabwe, call it Singapore. Yes. Yeah, it's a psychological thing for destroy. Yeah, you have Russia, Westmoreland, and you have Vietnam. Remember some Vietnam, you know, have thousands of people there, you know, and most Americans soldiers die in a Vietnam, you know, and you know, say, although over 100,000 Americans die in a Vietnam, you know, say millions of Vietnamese people die down there. So you understand? Why them not give these little communities some nice name like Little Hollywood? You understand? At least Black Roses, you know, Black Roses, I show you say, boy, I love that for black people. Yeah, Moscow Waterhouse. You understand? And you know, say anything to do with Russia. You know, so Russia, we know from where I go, so Russia is a terrorist state. You know, so them are architect of propaganda and lies. And them are the art of lies, you know, Russian them, you know. White people on the whole. You understand? Remember, say them are architect of lying, you know. So all of these things when them do were embedded in a black people mind. Here now, Waterhouse. I'm gonna call it Firehouse. Why you don't want to live in a house where a fire? You know what I'm saying? All of them things there, you know. Tower Hill. Well, Tower Hill. That means there is a tower and it's on a hill. One Tower Hill flat. So the name don't really even make no sense with that. Mall Road. How Mall Road come about? Because you know the Mall Road upon the road. The road is asphalt, but so them call it. So everything with them do. So you know, so for you have some name, you know, so for you that. What? Remember, Olympic Garden so nice, you know. Because you know, say it had to be the Olympics and running and all of them things. But them changed it because people them live in our community. And if you have some nice, decent people that will live there and try, you can't talk to the corals in them, you know, because they will kill you, you know. Because you understand, anytime you have a decent person who live in these communities, we are trying to enhance and beautify the place. and I try to teach the people them the decency and ethical behavior. Yeah, them say boy are dead if you dead. I just saw it going on in them community there. You understand? So, moving on, we talk about it. Yeah, boy, rock fort. Yeah, rock fort. So, so rock, yeah, rock, that means a stone that, and fort, so fort is a military name, What all that for them thing, the rock fort? Warwicker Hill. Boy, may I tell you, it's just a mind thing, them know for golf. Yeah. Golf, but you have a golf all around Gregory Park. Because you see the boy them kill. You see the little boy, the 15-year-old boy Mark Golden and the other PMP criminal organization them. I remember them go look for the boy mother when he Ducha Luce. The boy when he Lamar Greer, them call him chicken back. I pay a criminal let the mother breed out, Yeah man, cause 4 of them go kill. Yeah man, Havana jungle. That a Cuba. I pay them nothing nice. Nothing nice. Yeah, so everything is psychological. You have golf Gregory Park, and you have golf in Norwood. Oh man, try give film community a nice name. Yeah, it have to be some bad name. How them have so. So as a youth now where you come from a community and you tell them, so look, all of them name are bad because it have a psychological effect on you, as the people that live in a community. For you want to gravitate towards criminal behavior. You understand? And that's how them do, But most people don't understand, say subconsciously, they might destroy you, But you see, because the people them give them brain to all of these to the political parties. Alright. You know that Tivoli Gardens, so you have a place in a Florida, South Florida, before you go West Palm Beach, a community named Tivoli Gardens. One of the most expensive place that we live in Florida, and ask anybody who live in a Broward County, to go Palm Beach County. One of the most expensive place, for live, Tivoli Gardens, in a Florida, I tell you have a place. Yes, there's a place in a Florida named Tivoli Gardens. And most Jamaican can't live there because it's very expensive. Yes. You have a place in England named Tivoli, and it's expensive to live. Tivoli Gardens, and I get her, Yeah man, Tivoli Gardens in a Florida. And one of the most expensive, just type it in, most expensive community to live. You understand? Some of these names were given to these places by the same people who live there. True? Bakawal. Yeah, true man. Why, hey, but we can help to change the tide, You understand? But by injecting positive thinking in our people, because that's the only way forward, The only way the youths, you see all the 15-year-old youth where the bus killer South Barrow, where Mark Golden and the rest of them go look for your mother. The reason why they go do that, Mark Golden go look for the youth mother, it's because the youth, the and the mother 3 brother, Ice, Venom and Ada. And 4 of them kill them auntie, them auntie man, you brother when you cracks, So that for sure, say, if you're not killing Mark Golden, come look for you, the PMP them. When I say, them kill cracks a compound, and them come from golf. You understand? Capture that, Yeah. And that them say a crocks licking my for them thing there. Cause crocks have family at St. Thomas. And exactly 1 week after him dead, Cause them say him fire the fatal bullet in a crocks, 4 brother go kill them sister, them auntie man, because him man a labor, right? Oh yeah, all them something there. And that's how Mark Golden go look for him. But yet when them kill Sweeney and Rum Punch, him never go look for you people them when them burn out. Him saying Angela Brownberg that a woman fear father and kill Ted Ogilvy and a whole heap of Jamaicans. Yeah, and she remember she a pastor. I don't know where scenario we have most wanted man daughter in our parliament a pastor. Or just say go to Jamaica, when you're a criminal you get reward from the PMP once you commit crimes. So fear father kill whole heap of unarmed Jamaicans. And she get the reward for in the parliament. So We must know as a people, you know, where we want our country, if we want our country to continue along this trajectory. Yeah, the 15-year-old, and when the boy is, I see him PMP there up on the bus with him, you know. So you hear the mother say, boy, you hear the mother say, she could have talked to him, but she didn't want to talk to him because she knows him not going to listen. The boy did have a 9mm pistol on him, you know, when him dead, you know. A brand new gun, you know. And show it, you know, and tell all people, say, oh, this may use a lick with the boy crux, you know. Because you understand? Because them know say them auntie that arguing a statement against them. That I see him auntie will pass out when she said, I won't if then kill her man, you know. Because fear her man and labor, them kill them, you understand? So it's like them I say, oh, you can't do no labor, you know, because we are PMP and them thing there. Oh, that. And them say, boy, a crux lick him off our bus. Well, you understand. I don't believe in them things, but I know say it exists still, you know, evil exists. But you know, it's just time for people. We have to treat each other with love, you know. If we not love, yeah. No, him not come from jungle. A same place I go to park him come from. Him come from a place named Gulf. He might wanna charge a badness, killer. Yeah, charge a badness that I see a man whether in New Jersey, yeah man. We supply the feds with all the information about him. Because the state of New Jersey did arrest him, you know, for a gun business and theme boss, you know, and I charge the badness to spend the money, you know. We soon tell only name my brother was behind it. Cause that brother there, you know, him get shot, you know. And the youth were shot him, them kill the youth and some people that are jail and them thing. We so let you know about that. Yeah, respect lied, yeah. We need, well, you know, look here. True, and the thing is that people know, I love that comment they lied and them thing there. You see, the thing is that now, as Jamaicans, most people afraid to tell people the truth because them afraid to lose them friendship or them afraid to offend people. Me no, me not afraid of that. Because some of my mother raised me. Yeah, may I tell you that. And if you notice, most Jamaicans, you know, as you hear Vybz Kartel say, he my shepherd. And the people them are sheep. And the Vybz Kartel alone, you know, have sheep there in the minute and I shepherd, you know. A whole heap of people, if you notice, you know, on YouTube, people not tell the people them the truth, you know. Because you have to understand, you know, some people on YouTube, you know, they're on YouTube, it's all about what's in it for me. They don't care about Jamaica, you know. It's the amount of money where them can make off of YouTube. We don't care about that. Because YouTube, hey, look here, we do this. I want to do YouTube because we make money on them things. We do it because we love Jamaica. You know, so the same viewers and subscribers they are the one that push us, you know, why we start do so many videos, you know. Because we used to do one video like that for 3 months, and the people them watch it and them complain and you understand. Because even during COVID, we never used to do any video, and them people them used to complain, them contact. And whenever you used to have no Instagram, because we just do it because it was our way of lashing out against the system. You understand? Because we don't like criminality and we don't like injustice. We don't care who the guy or who the girl. We are going to talk up for the people them. So that's why we just tell people the truth. We're not going to tell nobody no lie because we know say if we tell people lies, you know, if you tell people lies, you can't, you know, it will not grow the channel and them thing. We lose the last check with YouTube, you know, with YouTube data and them thing there. Yeah, for the past 7 months. Over 9,000 subscribers we lose, you know, because guess what? Plenty people, this is what them say. Boy, you know, say if you not say this about the PMP, you know, say Muno unsubscribe. And if you never say this about this blogger, Muno subscribe because you said them thing and actually you don't like it. No, I don't like me. I gotta tell you the truth. You can't make people mislead it. It's just like right now. Anybody will tell you, say, boy, you need to get rid of Privy Council and parallel a PMP criminal talking points. If you know anything with decent about Jamaica and PMP support it, show me. Alright. The same EU thing where the GLP government signed the other day and even the church against it. You notice the PMP did not come out lick out against it. Anything for destroy Jamaican people, them now go lick out against it because they are not for the people. So that's why I went on the Labour right when Andrew Owen's government signed this law. Yeah, I know what, and look here, I know what I know what anybody will agree with everything on me say. Yeah, me know what me say you're arguing, Robert. Me want people to think. Me want you challenge me and tell me say, hey, look, you understand what I'm saying? Where you say that a madness or this, you understand what I'm saying? We like the scent. We don't want nobody like the robot and them thing there. And you know, as somebody says something, your feelings hurt, and you understand. Over 9,000 people, yeah man. Cause you said this book, boy, all a man, boy, you said this about European. No, look here, me just always talk the truth of them thing there. I just saw it go, I saw me raise. You understand? So that's why we tell you say anyone we tell you say that them forget with the DPP, forget with the DPP, paralleling, and the UK Privy Council, IPMP criminal organization talking points. The first, they are the only one in it. And the reason why they want that, because they want to control the justice system. You know that right now, in Jamaica, you know, so the man who killed his wife, Jolly and Sylvia, he must still a member of PMP criminal organization. Him still active in the suspend or anything. Because he have secret for them. Just like Ian Eales have secret for Mark Golden. So that's why I'm forgive him a seat for run somewhere else. I saw it go, it's a criminal organized. It's some things, if you don't know some things. May I tell you what happened in Jamaica, you're shock. You understand? The level of criminality that's going on in our country. And honestly, we have a prime minister, in the perfect, but at least him, the level of corruption that we experience, those of us who lived through the 90s, when the PMP criminal organization was going, the amount of corruption, tell me, and compare with them and this administration, and anybody tell us about political party I see, I lie them I tell. I tell people that all the time. Nobody can tell me not about PMP, you know. PMP community me born and grow, you know. Them can't buy me, you know. You say if me did corrupt, look here, more expose the things that I know about, when me see what happen around them. And because I love Jamaica, if you are destroy a community and destroy people's life, and me, I will be complicit to it. That means me lacking a soul and me lack decency. But people do anything for money because they don't want to offend people and tell them the truth. It's just like if you have your child and you know say your child will do something wrong, and you look school your child, what do you expect? Your child will continue on the same party until your child either dead or end up in prison. Yes. I remember you have two youth. You have a twin youth. One named Matthew and the one named Henry. Them come from both islands. Two brothers, a twin, you know. Them have a brother named Monk. Monk a big batty man. A rear admiral, you know. Him not a prison, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. And most time before him kill victim them, him rape them, you know. One brother named Monk. Him not a prison now. Come from both islands. Him have Matthew and Philip. I saw the two name. And the same time, look here. Dangerous boy them, you know. And the same time them get liquid and them thing, you know. Yeah. You know, we go up on an operation and lick them and them thing, and people them about like one black road, and the mother come out and say, hey, look here, you know bother with that, you know, because my boy them was murderer them, they must killers, you know, so I don't know what I do, you know. Police them not kill no innocent people, you know. So I don't want nobody come out here and come talk say my son them innocent. Innocent what? Mother said that. You understand? Yeah, Monk with a prison right now with in the death row. I don't know if he get parole and all them thing there. But him, Monk, you know, so both islands are PMP criminal organization community. Before Monk kill film victim, then we rape them. And I'm man me attacking a Monk. And film twin brother them in time, you know, you understand, we Unsbury police, you know, send them to the departure lounge. And the people them, because them did love the people, them love them, you know, because them a killer. And I mother. So no man, we can't do that, because them a killer. Very rare you find that in a PMP criminal organization community. Because she talk to them, boy them bright, boy them a gun them off to kill people because them want people fear them. Because this is a culture where them imparted to the youth them in a community. And guess what now? Them feel like so when them dead and people are talk about them as if when them dead end up on the other side of the world. You understand? Them can't hear when people are laud them. That is just madness. All our youth now are say, boy, him age limit at 25. That can't right. So boy, him at 20, that's how him average age. We don't want everybody to live until them old. Look at the other day, 64 guns, over 64 guns, the man them ship from foreign, from America, send to Jamaica, give man them in a concrete jungle, apart from the other. You understand what I'm saying? No, sir. They don't place a corrosive place, man. New York, man, not even like New York. Man could never. The only place where New York will really nice to live like Staten Island and them places, because I want to say rich people don't live. Anyway, corrosive them live at danger. No, man, New York. I live not even Manhattan, you know, safe, but you know that safe and them thing there. Look, if you notice, you know, all of the city them in the United States of America, where black people live, a dangerous place. Especially for you as a black man. A white man is safer in a black community anywhere in the world than a black man. Remember me tell you that. If you ever live in Miami, I'll go to Miami. If you live in Miami and go over South Beach, as a white man you're safer. As a black man, no. You understand? Yeah, because I see him culture and the acidity. You know, you understand? The informer for dead thing. Because Busta Rhyme the rapper, you know, Busta Rhyme parents in Jamaica. And Busta Rhyme have the same Jamaican culture. Busta Rhyme bodyguard get murdered, you know. And him see, you know, and him not tell the police them, you know. And give the man wife $1 million. And she not talk to him, you know. Because she says she want justice to her husband and her children, them. But him have the same Jamaican mentality. That's why Busta Rhyme support Vybz Kartel. I remember I did come to Jamaica, you know, when Vybz Kartel case I tried. You understand? For, you know, give him moral support. But we as a people have to change everything. Nobody can change it for we. And nobody feel like say, you know, a white man I come do it because save we. I'm just madness that if we think that way there. We have to save ourselves. Right now, if we get rid of the Privy Council, you know say Jamaica done. We tell you that. Whether or not you want to believe it. Any of them get rid of the Privy Council, Jamaica done. Yeah man, Bronx, New York, yeah man, dangerous place. And look how the place dirty. A black people that, you know, them just eat and just throw the thing them on the street. Anytime in America, anytime you know say you enter a black community, just look for the difference at the street before you enter a night. They just dirty. Not even dirty, though, dirty. You ever go to Baltimore or Maryland and them places? You understand? I first never see all people that take all food out of garbage pan and eat in Maryland. I say, oh this? White people, you know. Yeah. You see all in the night in Washington DC, I capital the free road, you know. Yeah. You see in a Washington DC, boy it's sad though. Yeah man, in a Washington DC, you see in the night, you see in the day in a Washington DC, everything just look nice. But you see in the night, I tell them man, it come like them, especially during spring and summer and them thing there. Hey, it come like it's a different city, you know man. The amount of homeless people you see, you know man, we sleep on the land and all them thing there, you know. Enough of them have AIDS and all kind of thing, and them take coke openly and them thing there, you know. I same thing now in Miami, you know. Yeah, less than a block away from the Miami Police Department. I saw you have the people them, white, black, Spanish, everybody. With up on crack. And them lick it every day. Openly. Yeah, well, you know, so we address some other things. So we are continue, you know, I will tell you about the suppression of crime where Michael Manley did pass. And you see when Siaga was Prime Minister, he used it man and make the Jamaican people them safe. Because the thing is that with the suppression of crime, it drive fear in the heart of criminal, you know. Yeah man, criminal afraid when we have a suppression of crime, because if a man kill somebody, you know, you say if him not find the police station, he knows when the police come in, a straight at departure lounge and say them, you know. Yeah man, because it's same like them that, you know, that the American police them have, you know, that give them that autonomy for them do them work. At that the suppression of crime, and you don't need no warrant for search a guy house. I PMP them come and them see man give real line, you know. And one time them come in a power, them change it and start emboldening the criminals. If you look on the murder chart in Jamaica, you'll see how one time the crime start increase. So it goes to show that, you know, the best time from Michael Manley. From 1972, Jamaica start go down in the trajectory, you know, the economy and everything. And Edward Siaga did bring it back, you know. and then this PMP them come in and mash it up for 18 years. And them give you the most corruption. And them commit the most crimes against Jamaican people. Whether or not you want to believe it, you know. Up to now, you know, we can't point any atrocity where Labour them commit against the Jamaican people, you know. The PMP them commit Green Bay killing. Yeah. I PMP them is a government that do that, you know, commit the murder there, you know, Green Bay killing, Gold Street massacre. Yeah, I see him PMP them do that, you know, after Labour them win, you know. And the people them have a celebration dance. Them man, I see them people them in a soldier and the police was, you know, give criminal in them uniform, you know, and they go down and go kill the people them. So a long time them are destroy the people them. So we just want back Jamaica. We want it back from all of these 63 people. We say one of them are try and the other one not trying. But most Jamaicans are not willing and I like the truth, you know. Well, why them say Bruce Golding? But remember say it did bankrupt, you know, here now. Here Jamaica now, what with here Jamaica, remember say, you know, I show you now. I show you now, so Bruce Golding wasn't a Labour, right? Here Jamaica now, you know, hey, you see all Butch Stewart and all them guys are some dangerous people, them, you know. I can the whole of them can Butch Stewart and the Issa them, you know, all like hotel area them, you know. And them can Bruce Golding, you know. Because I say Bruce Golding never did leave the Jamaica Labour Party. The PMP them couldn't win, you know. Because them take vote, you know, from the Labour right and give to the NDM. Because I see him right, you know, boy, yeah, them love Bruce Golding. Because I want them tell the white people them tell him, you know. Yeah, the white people, yeah, the street people them say, the white people them tell Bruce Golding say the people them love him more than love Siaga. So I saw him go form the NDM. So when people tell about a third party in Jamaica, that now go work. Any third party to take from one party. You understand? Yeah. No man, Butch Stewart, hey look here. Let me tell you the same thing there. You see Butch Stewart. So we get to lose here Jamaica and them thing there. Remember you know? So them can Bruce Golding, the Issa and Butch Stewart, them can Bruce Golding and tell him say boy and tell Bruce Golding say boy, you know you're more popular than Siaga and form your own party and you become Prime Minister. Him's a fool, you know. Him born and grow in Jamaica, I know say a two. Yeah, I know say a two political party where the people them is done culture that way. Not even Marcus Garvey have done the most thing for black people. Could I even get film party any traction in a Jamaica before them? You understand? Not even Marcus Garvey. And them tell Bruce Golding, say, boy, the people them love you more than Siaga, you know. Once you start your own party, you become the Prime Minister. The NDM don't even get not even a seat. You understand? And I saw a PMP them win in a 1993. And I saw them win after that because I NDM. So the vote where the NDM them get a Labour right vote, that you know. And let me not try to use like a violence, because let me not try to infiltrate all Waterhouse and all them things. Because them know Jamaican gun people them licky, you know, so we're going to buy them out. Until boy it just frizzle out and then him people tell Siaga, so we take him back. And then I drugs dealer them get rid of Siaga. And all of them will get rid of Siaga. One of them are president including Dudus. Because Dudus was instrumental in get rid of Siaga, you know. Yeah, the drugs dealer then spend money on them thing, they forget rid of Siaga. And I saw him end up. Yeah, Bruce Golding on Labour right. Now let me tell you, I never rate them man yet, you know. Because even time the extradition I do the same thing there, I was advocating for them extradite him too. Because here for obstruction of justice. Oh yeah, we don't care about the illegal MOU. If you care about the Jamaican constitution and the rule of law, and Bruce Golding and Peter Phillips sign an illegal MOU. Yeah, Peter Phillips signed an illegal MOU. And them supposed to investigate Peter Phillips and then charge him, you understand, for break the law. But instead of doing that, what them do? Them are defend Christopher Dudus and them now go after Peter Phillips. Because through one of them knows that them are criminals. That's why they never do it. It's an illegal MOU them use and extradite Christopher Dudus go against Jamaican's constitution. But the government did sign it and it up a camp. You understand? And them use and mash up Bruce Golding and have him on record him attack with Dudus. After they must tell him say, hey, Obama, the American, them tell him say you have two choice. It's either you resign And then make him hear himself attack to do this, or I charge you. I just saw it go. So I saw him end up now as the first Prime Minister of Jamaica for resigning a disgrace. If Bruce Golding was a Labour, that would happen. Because when you understand, because Siaga sent a leader, the criminal is supposed to lead it. So Bruce Golding was no leader. Yeah, what I mean? You think them not gonna do him nothing on them thing there. Oh, there's nothing to stop do this and become a member of parliament. Alright, may I show you now. So you see, look, Isaac Buchanan, is an attorney at law and an officer of the court. Isaac Buchanan has been convicted in Jamaica for drug dealing and got prison for 2 years. Then him convicted in America for drug dealing and got prison for 10 years. Do this never got prison, never convicted for a crime in Jamaica. And the PMP them say, well, this is how the PMP them say, them say anybody who commit crime outside of Jamaica, them not regardless of the crime, say you're decent, you're a law-abiding citizen. So when Dudus return to Jamaica, he can run as an MP, and then he can become a leader at GLP and become Prime Minister. Nothing that is there in the Constitution to stop him. Remember saying I see him PMP, them I brought down the thing, because true, Isaac Buchanan is a rear admiral. Isaac Buchanan have secret for having even the Governor General of Jamaica, where I tell you. Yeah, and most people don't even know how the brother you get a Governor General. Can you get the Governor General ship, from being charged allegedly, for thief money from the Seventh-day Adventist Church, It's the Governor General we have right now, we are telling you, I first hear that. Yes, the Governor General of Jamaica right now, the reason why him become Governor General is to get immunity from being prosecuted. Yes, for Seventh-day Adventist Church money, where them same thief. The people now go tell you that, because the people in Jamaica now go tell you that because it is a cabal, As I tell you, and a little man on a back to a ream a criminal, him just a part of a puzzle, a little part of it. So that's why them have to defend him, because of him them use, for commit crime for them. You understand? So nobody feel like our Governor General is like Governor here right now. So that's why I get it on them thing there. The Seventh-day Adventist Church, if them honest, them can come out and tell us, yeah. Why I don't know that, Them loving man feel like themselves, and me don't know. You understand? You understand? So you have to understand, the Governor General is a part of I say the Adventist Church control the political machinery in Jamaica, Peter Bunting in a PMP criminal organization, and then the Prime Minister. You understand? The Governor General a part of the Seventh-day Adventist Church too. So Bruce Golding appoint him, and his appointment was give him a shield from prosecution for based on investigation that was being done by a fraud squad. You understand? So Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. How we get it back? I people. If you think say you get it back, we can't tell you. As you see with the PMP criminal organization, you can't get it back from them, Because all the PMP has been doing, from I know myself, is creating criminals. I encourage youth to commit crimes. If you notice, what a 15-year-old boy doing on a political campaign. And if you check the voters list, you're going to see his name on it. If you have access to it. That's all them know for do. Them know for create criminals. Them know encourage youths to read and aspire themselves to become great things, to accomplish great things in their life. Change other people's life in a positive way. No, they know none of that. Everything for them is crime and gun. You see the gun them the other day where, in Angola jungle the other day. And guess what? You saw them gun? Them spin it and say, our youth up New York and him send them. But yet see the same people them in our community say the guns were issued right after the PMP conference up at Tony Spalding complex. And it was issued by the PMP and them like George Pang none, because George Pang them have wallets. And then give even the Dana Craigtown female and thing there. But in 2024, we are give people them gun for kill each other for. When I say gun have to kill black people, why you want people to be afraid of you? Why you want somebody to live in a fear of you? Because you can't kill them, so what? Nobody can kill you. That's all them all about is destruction of people's life. But yet still, you know, and I see them not want for dead, you know, but them they are the death merchants, you know. You understand? Why? Hey, look, crime, you know, to reduce crime on everybody it have to be an initiative by everyone, you know. But guess what? Jamaica kind of like the Jamaica like even 30 years ago, because the mindset of the people change over time, and some of them gravitate to this criminality where everybody wants to be the Don, and everybody wants to be afraid of them. I want not even aspire for nobody love them. There's no love that exists no more. Why you want me to be afraid of you? Because you can't kill me. So I can't kill you too. And you know that's a problem. Jamaica lack leadership. But we can't see what I try, you know. You understand? So I don't know if you don't know about the shooting yesterday up at Augustown, where police them kill a gunman and get a gun and them thing. Then you hear the PMP them, you hear who them a lick up on, not the gunman and the police. You understand? Where a man a go up on motorcade with gun for? Because the boy were dead in a Lamar Green and chicken back. The 15-year-old boy, he did have a 9mm pistol upon him. Where him have gun for? After nobody now shoot out the motorcade. Them the days are back in a 1980. You understand? In time, and in a Kingston, remember say 85% of the Kingston metropolitan area is what kind of community surround them? It's PMP. So when I try to paint the labor, them say labor them are terrorists, or them are real terrorists, you know. I tell you, me come from around them. In time in 1972 when Tony Spalding win a seat by less than 200 votes, and them say once them have to kill over 200 people who live down in Rima. How you ever think that? So why you know if you say you can't dead so? You have to love yourself, you love our next man. And that me always say, me not care about your political leaner, me care about your life. That's how we care about life. All how we get one life. Why you want to kill somebody else? And then when your time come for dead, you don't want for dead. Yeah, you know, we have 7 more minutes before we finish the thing. You know, so that's how we're all about, you know. We just want to save life, we just want to change the people, their mindset. Because we don't want to gravitate toward criminality, you know. And we believe in every Jamaican, we don't care where you live, whether you live at Rima, Tivoli or Jungle. And if you qualify to get, you know, a criminal conviction and want a license gun, you feel have it. You understand? Like if every house in Jamaica have a gun, you have less crime. Because boy, I know say, oh, if you not come in your house, you know, say gun inside it. Every house you have a gun. We don't talk about nobody involved in criminality. We talk people who are law-abiding citizens. If every house have a gun, you have less crime. Because boy, I got to think twice. If a man knows say, oh, 3 or 4 guns in our house, you think the boy can try to come in your house to come kill your mother or your father or your brother or your sister? Oh, him knows him have to think twice. I can't tell you, the majority of gunmen them are coward, you know. Them can't shoot people in front of them, you know. If you look, most of the time them shoot people are behind them, then shoot them. How coward shoot somebody, so you know. So most of the people who them kill, and when the people them not even know so they get shot because they just wake up in a different them soul wake up in a different world. So imagine, so you know, we just based on dream and them thing that what we experience. Cause you know say if you not dreaming, you know, not soul, you know. Cause anytime you dream of your soul that I speak to you, you know. That for sure say you're a human being. If you have never dreamed as a person, that means you're not a human being. Cause when you dream of your soul that talk to you. Because if you notice when you dream say people you never meet in your life. So the man say, boy, there is no God. I lie them I tell. Cause your soul that I speak to you. So that's why I tell you, you know, say everything what you do in this life, your soul have to account for you do. But them I tell you now say, oh, there is no God. Now listen to them, you know, because God now have to prove himself to man, you know, because God is the creator. And when a man I tell about say, boy, yeah, say, oh, God have to grow back a man 1 foot or one hand for me believe in a God. You know, the fool in his heart say there is no God, man. A God create we. So if you love the truth, you love God. Don't try to do a PR thing when you come on to the truth. Some people, yeah, the truth hurt, but the truth is the truth, and that's how it is. And we have to learn to speak the truth as a people if we want to see better for our own country. And you understand? Yeah. And you see, in our future, we're gonna try to do, we're gonna try to upgrade the program. So yeah, people can talk and you get for partaking, you get for partaking in the discussion instead of typing. You can call and talk. You understand? But as you know, when most people don't understand, that in life, anything, there's nothing free. If you live in the United States of America and them tell you if you sign up for something free, and we'll teach you this. And them say them will give you something free. Remember, 10 out of 10 times you have to write your full name, your date of birth, and your address, and your telephone number and them thing there. What do you think them use them thing there for? For marketing. So not free. You send somebody can use your information and sell it to a credit, sell it to a company. I saw it go on them thing there. I saw them make money. So if them give you something value $10 or $50, when you give them your information values thousands of dollars. So nothing in this world is free. So if you love freeness and them thing there, that no work. Anything free, there's nothing free in this world. It come with a price. There's always a hidden price. Yeah. Yeah, you understand? And people don't know that. So why you think them have all them two-factor thing and all them something there? Where is either your phone number or you have an authentication app? Because a money making thing, not free. Yeah, alright. Yes. Alright, look, if you have an iPhone or anything like that, and if you say something, even if you are type, look, I show you how technology different, We have, less than 2 minutes. Even if you are type something and you just think about something, and you type it in on your phone, if you notice sometimes when you type and you just think about something, when you type you see the exact thing come up and you wonder, wait, how this? That will show you how technology with your finger where you use it connect to your brain, You understand? So you have to wonder, oh the technology is so advanced. Trust me. So that's why they tell about the AI, yeah. And it's happening, and you tell people, you would just talk about something now when you go up on your phone and you go in a Google or any one of them search engine, and the same thing when you talk about as a whoop it, I just see come up on your phone, and you wonder, because the phone, remember say it have a mic, whether the phone, even when the battery dead, that's why they call it smartphone, Most people don't know, you see same phone, alright. I don't know if you guys, if you listen to one of the video I do with Guy Philippi, the guy from 80, you hear him for nearly an hour talk on them thing there. 1 hour talk at Jamaica. Some people I wonder how me get that recording there. I can't tell people and them thing there, but the phone is a two-way radio. You understand? And the Jamaican police don't, the Jamaican intelligence agency don't even have that. I mean, even if you have the access to the boy phone and get all him recording in a Jamaica, Guy Philippi. You understand? And guess what? You don't think say one big police contact me. You don't think say boy the hierarchy police force don't want to know all them things there. Them no want. So you understand what I'm saying? And that is the man who's supposed to kill the Prime Minister, And that time man will bring the cache M16 rifle come give the PMP supporters them. You understand the boy when him Tiliba will live in Manchester. Him say him want to be next Kingdom. Him a biggest coke dealer. Yeah, Tiliba. Him was one of them man. So him and the man him at Rockfort and Warwick Isle in touch. So that may I tell you say the phone you can hear everything. The phone is a two-way radio, So if the Jamaican police, if them want all the help from the Americans to do all of them things, that's why we just show them, You understand what I'm saying? You hear it for yourself. Plenty of people I want to say, wait, so him. So even police, even Jamaican police, when me really them say boy, same that Jamaica, say Porter that Jamaica them thing, But me not make the man wise and tell them where I'm at them thing. So that for sure you say, with the cell phone, that's why now you can't take out the battery. That's why it's called a smartphone. You see, even when the battery die, the mic is still working. It's like a two-way radio. So if them want to catch criminal and them thing, easy, them can't use it. You understand? Yeah, so yeah man, it happen all the time, man. All the time. You understand? So we try to improve the thing instead of we just having a conversation with the audience. You can partake and you can say your piece, you understand? Because we believe in having a dialogue, because that's how we get the things better. Because we don't want to look here, we don't want the audience being a sheep. We're not a shepherd. We just I tell people, we're not a shepherd and lead. No, we're not a sheep. We want we at no time I have never seen myself superior to any human being. You understand? Not because you can't formulate a sentence better than the next man. Means to say boy, my fee say me smarter than him. No. Even on the fool you learn from. If you don't learn things on the fool, that means that you're a fool. Because the fool going to do something and you're going to get some sense out of something when you fool. You understand? As them say, what is the difference between the wise and the fool? The wise live it and die, likewise the fool. Remember I got sing to tell you that a man is just a man. So hopefully, the next time in time we meet, we make it available, where you can call and you can give your piece, you understand what I'm saying? And as usual, we do it in a respectful way, we don't, as we say, we don't go down to the gutter politics and use certain kind of language. The most important thing is just to get back Jamaica to where it used to be, where all of we used to just live in harmony and them thing there. No man never see a man because him had this or him had that. And there was no artificial borderline, like what them create at Jamaica. A man live round a road there, you can't go around this road there unless you get permission. And you go around there, you were just dead because you come. Oh, we reach this, sir. We are all Jamaicans and them thing there. You understand? This tribalism, I take back its ugly head. And we see how overdo it. Mark Golden and the PNP criminal organization. Up to now, we don't see Labour them are promoting the violence in our country. At them alone. At them, PNP, them are bringing a gun them. You don't hear the Labour, them are bringing a gun to kill nobody. But yet still, at them I tell you, say, both of them are the same. Both of them are not the same. And then Labour, them are link up with Asian and I bring gun coming to Jamaica with armor piercing weapon and PR this boy, Guy Philippe, if he kill with Prime Minister. Although I don't vote for him, I don't vote because I don't vote for Jamaica. You understand? And we have to stand up for this, okay, you understand? But we know some Jamaicans don't like to hear the truth. But as we tell you already, in a few seconds when I leave, Michael Manley give you one of the best law, at least in the ultimate in crime fighting law in Jamaica, and he called the Suppression of Crime Act. One of the best law ever Jamaicans ever get. Michael Manley give you that. That make criminal live in a fee. You see when a eradication come for a man and him with the yard and him here, I tell a man, you see when him fart, him underpants get wet. That's all the law they used to do. So I will tell you, everything's still doing it. There's nothing in our life for free. So, as we tell you, we are going to make sure that the next time in time we have a conversation. Yeah, you as the audience member the Jamaica Young Police channel, you can call and you can get for say your piece. You understand? We allow people to communicate. We communicate with each other because communication is not supposed to be a one-way street. Just want somebody. You're supposed to can give your feedback. That's what me believe in. Because if I just one person, that means say boy, you put yourself say you're superior to everybody. So I don't know where you say count. No, we don't believe in that. So when we say we have to step it up, not only that we give the content, but we allow you as the audience member to participate and you understand what I'm saying? Because if one person claims that they know everything, and a fool think that we don't know everything, we only know some things. You understand? Yeah man, and thanks to all, to the ones that stay in from we start, the live until the end. And yeah man, this is first live we have for February. But I will tell you, we are gonna up it up so that the next time, you'll be able to call. So you have all the number and all them things there. Yeah man. Yeah, and the truth is the truth hurt only guilty, and we don't care who it hurt, Yes, we don't care who it hurt. And look here, and we don't care how many we lose thousands of subscribers, and we still gain subscribers same way because people love, thousands of people love the truth. And we not stop talking and them things there. Up to now, you don't hear none. Even them who claim say we are lied, and we are say alright, we are lied. Come on the channel and come prove say we are lied then, yeah. But them can't come. Them all can't say it, you know. I want to tell lie on people, you know, my friend. Yeah, man, and honestly, yeah, it's you people that really motivate me. And yeah, boy, I have a sister. You have some people when I tell them, man, like all a brother named Neville Williams and others where them push me, you know, yeah, for come out and the brother a True Island story. If you never hear about True Island, check him out, man. And the brother there, yeah, him was one of them where, yeah, him was one of them as him say, no man, you need to step it up to one of them thing there. You understand? Even during COVID, people, you know, but we weren't doing it, you know, for a mass now wide. We just do it because we love Jamaica and we love the Jamaican people. And we don't like criminals. And we don't like corrupt politicians. Yeah, we don't like them. We love Jamaica and the Jamaican people. We don't care which guy, you know, any guy we're willing to give back with Jamaica, that's what we want. You understand? Yeah, so it's a joy. So have yourself a beautiful day, my friends. Yeah, man. So Jamaica Young Police Channel out.